Hey guys, we're just going to be doing a little video on how to set up snares for catching snowshoe hares, rabbits. So it's just a basic survival skill, good to know in case you're in a situation where you don't have any food and this is what you need. However, you do have to have a license to do it, so you got to get that small game license before you can catch these animals. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to find them. So you take your brass snare, you have a little loop on the end here, and you just feed your wire up through, and that way when the rabbit gets inside of it and pulls on his neck, it will tighten up. Pretty simple. So what we're looking for is basically a little beat down trail. So you can see here there's a little trail that's coming through here. So if I move in, you'll see there's a trail that comes all the way from in the back here, all the way up through and in through this little place where there's some trees, so we can actually use the trees to tie our snare onto. So you can see I have it hooked onto the tree here, so just wrapped it around a few times. Make sure if it pulled out, the rabbit would get caught up in the tree. And all we do next is we want to block it in here. We put some branches down so he doesn't go a different way. That way he got to go through the snare. Keep it a few inches off of the ground, because they don't walk around with their heads down to the ground, they walk around with their heads up. So when he comes through the trail, he should get caught in the snare here. And that's it.